Veronica, Veronica. Oh, Veronica girl. Oh, Veronica, Veronica. Oh, Veronica girl. Well, she's so sexy, she got levels and she said about the feature. I said Veronica, well, I just a room and she said, nah, I'm fucking niggas till they got to dick to her. Oh, Veronica, Veronica. Oh, Veronica girl. Oh, Veronica.
What it do, cupcakes? It is I, Veronica. How you doing? How you doing, cupcakes? How you doing? Hey, how you doing, cupcakes? How you doing? Hey, 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 hey. And I'm here to do a taste test. It's a Lay's do us a flavor taste test. They got 3 flavors. Fried green tomato, fried green tomato, fried green tomato. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, they got everything bagel. What's cream cheese? How you doing? Then they got a crispy taco. A taco? A crispy taco. So, we're going to get into this right now. Right now. I think I'm going to taste the taco first. Let's taste. That's what it's looking like, yeah? Regular chip. That's what it's looking like, yeah? Regular chip. It smells like taco seasoning. Yeah. Y'all know y'all seen me on One Cup of Cocoa. Eating a chalupa. A double motherfucking chalupa. And you know the meat that go in it? That's what these taste like. No lie. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Finger looking good, baby. I like them. Them is good right there. And let's try kettle cooked everything bagel with cream cheese. Let's dive in. Oh, and the person that thought of this is on the bag. What her name is? Ellen from San Antonio. This person right here, Lindsay from Palm City, Florida. Here she go. There she go. How you doing? It smells like it's kettle cooked too. That's what it's looking like, yeah. That's what it's looking like out the bag. This smell like tastes like a chip with flour thrown on it. I don't think I like that. I only had to lick my fingers. They wasn't fingerling good neither. That's the bagel. Let's move on to the Fried green tomato. Hey, 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 hey. Fried green tomato. And the person that thought of this, how you doing, brother? His name is Greg Pope, Charlotte, North Carolina. North Carolina. Let's bust it open. And they the wavy lays. That's what they looking like on the inside of the bag. That's what they looking like on the outside of the bag. Can't quite put my finger on it. They pretty good. They pretty good. I can't stop eating them. They're pretty freaking good. I'm not gonna say they taste like fried green tomatoes though. Tastes like a little bit of the seasoning. I just put it like that. But I am gonna say I like these over the taco. Why? I don't know. I think it's the waviness of the Lays. So this number 1, this number 2, and we're gonna have to get this to the cat. This nasty. This tastes. I don't know what the fuck. I like cream cheese. What the fuck was they thinking? I don't know what the fuck this is. Maybe they should have had. I don't know what they should. They should have did this shit right here. But that's for dogs. These two is good. Yummy. But this good. I can't stop eating these. This fried too. It tastes like a chalupa. It tastes like a chalupa. This right there, I can't quite put my finger on it. Ain't all the way a fried green tomato. But it's good as shit. But anyway, that is my Lay's taste test. Do us a flavor tasting. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all go try this and tell me which one y'all like. Because last time I told y'all it was biscuits and a gravy. And biscuits and a gravy won, boo-boo. There was a lot of people who didn't like it. But they won, didn't they? She got her 1 million. Peace.